Be ready. Start. A perusal of the rules extracted herein above reveals that the post of Motor Vehicles Inspector is to be filled up exclusively by Promotion Rule 2A. The above rules postulate that merit and ability would be the criteria for such promotion. Rule 2B. It is also clarified that seniority would be taken into consideration only when merit and ability of the competing candidates is found to be almost the same. The above special rules lay down that motor vehicles inspectors grade 2 would be considered for promotion to the post of motor vehicles inspector grade 1 only after rendering 5 years service. Rule 5B. Eligibility on the basis of the qualifications prescribed for promotion to the post of motor vehicles inspector grade 1 is to be determined annually. For the said exercise, the cut-off date is 15th of March of every year. Rule 9. It is also relevant to mention that special rules have been framed under Section 28 of the Tamil Nadu Transport Service for regulating the conditions of eligibility and the manner stroke method of appointment inter alia to the post of regional transport officer. Under the above rules, the post of regional transport officer can be filled up only by way of transfer. The above special rules came into force with effect from 15/9/1974. The same have been made available to us from the Tamil Nadu Service Volume 2. Relevant extracts of Rules 2, 3 and 6 of the above special rules which have a bearing on the present controversy. A perusal of the rules extracted above reveal that appointment to the post of regional transport officer is to be made only by way of transfer inter alia from amongst motor vehicles inspectors grade 1 rule 2A. Appointment by way of transfer to the post of regional transport officer from other services including the post of motor vehicles inspectors grade 1 is to be only on tenure basis. Rule 2C. It is significant to notice that to be eligible for appointment to the post of regional transport officer from amongst motor vehicle inspectors grade 1, the incumbent in question must have served for a total period of not less than 5 years as motor vehicles inspector grade 1, out of which not less than 2 years must be in a field office. Rule 3. Eligibility on the basis of the qualifications prescribed for transfer to the post of regional transport officer is to be determined annually. For the said exercise, the cut-off date stipulated under the special rules is 1st July of every year. Rule 6. The career of the respondent in the transport department of the state government commenced on his appointment by direct recruitment as motor vehicles inspector grade 2 on 9/2/1995. While serving as motor vehicles inspector grade 2, he claimed that he had detected on a single date 14 cases of passenger vans being used as public carriers. He asserted that he had seized the concerned vehicles whose owners were evading payment of tax to the transport department. He also asserted that he had detected irregularities being committed by certain dealers for evading revenue payable to the transport department. He also claimed to have detected various instances where dealers were found meddling with chassis numbers of vehicles. By a process of tampering, chassis numbers were being altered by the dealers. According to the respondent, his actions had resulted in bringing to book numerous persons evading payment of tax to the transport department. According to the respondent, the above actions were taken by him despite grave personal risks. In this behalf, it was his assertion that he had received a number of threatening letters for having revealed the aforesaid irregularities. In the above letters, he was threatened that he would be eliminated. Despite receipt of such letters, respondent claims to have continued to discharge his duties with dedication and devotion, whilst it is the claim of respondent number 5 that he had a genuine claim for out of turn stroke accelerated promotion under Rule 36B. 2. It is the vehement contention of the learned counsel for the appellants before us that the aforesaid rule could either be invoked for promotion to the post of Motor Vehicles Inspector Grade 1 nor for appointment by way of transfer to the post of Regional Transport Officer. Before examining the merits of the controversy, it will be essential for us to narrate the sequence of events leading to the direction by the High Court of Judicature at Madras, hereinafter referred to as the High Court, for promoting the respondent to the post of Regional Transport Officer. Insofar as the instant aspect of the matter is concerned, it would be relevant to mention that respondent addressed a representation dated 30/6/1998 seeking out of turn stroke accelerated promotion. For his instant prayer, he sought consideration of his sincere, efficient, and unblemished record of service detailed above. On receipt of the aforesaid representation, relying on the recommendation made by the Managing Director of the Tamil Nadu State Transport Corporation, Division 1 and Managing Director of Roadways Corporation on 26/9/1997, the Regional Transport Officer also recommended the claim of the respondent. Thank you.